How to find Google Analytics GA4 tracking code. Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to find your Google Analytics GA4 tracking code. This is essential for integrating GA4 with your website. Let's get started. First, head over to the Google Analytics website and log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, select the GA4 property for which you need the tracking code. You can find your properties listed in the account drop-down on the top left. In the left sidebar, click on Admin. In the Property column, look for Data Streams and click on it. This will show you all the data streams associated with your property. Locate the web data stream you want to track, then click on it to open its settings. Here, you'll see a section labeled Tag and Instructions. Under the Tag and Instructions, select Global Site Tag, gtag.js, and you will see the tracking code snippet. It looks something like this. Copy the entire snippet and paste it into the head section of your website's HTML. This will ensure that your GA4 property starts tracking data effectively. And that's it. You now know how to find your Google Analytics GA4 tracking code. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more analytics tutorials. Thanks for watching.